Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is from the MSC Meraviglia. This is a room tour of a deluxe balcony, room 8145. We're leaving out of New York City, so these are some of the sights that we got to see right from our balcony. So it's a very cool place to sail out of. This was our first time sailing on MSC. So we were really looking forward to it. We really enjoyed the ship's design and a contemporary look. And I'll have some videos of that a little later on. So coming in, your door is magnetic, even though it looks like it's wood. You got your sofa on the right, which goes into a sofa bed. You have this mini bar here, which I'll go over later. You have a nice desk here, or if your wife wants to use it for makeup. There's a drawer in the desk that has a blow dryer. In the closet here, you got these cubby holes. You got your safe here. A couple more cubby holes here. Two drawers. Another cubby hole down bottom. Then on the left hand side, you have a good amount of hangers, as well as area to store your luggage. If you've been on other cruise lines, they used to put these door hangers out that you can get breakfast in the morning. This one here is broken down. You can check on what you want. Now if you want to get anything from the bottom section, you have to pay $7.95. If you're in the Bella experience, you'll have to pay for it all. So the top section would be $3.50. And then here's your internet packages that they have. Now this is your mini bar. That mini bar I showed you is totally full of stuff. So if you take anything out of there, this is what they're going to charge you for each one. So they will unlock it for you and you can get a little bit of room, but it's not much at all. They do have an ice bucket with some glasses here if you need it. So next to the bed here, they have these little nightstands. Now there are no plugs next to the bed. So if you have a CPAP machine or anything, you're going to have to run a cord over to the desk and then plug it in there. And then the other side has another one of these nightstands. Above each side of the bed you have one of these kill switches that'll do the lights, as well as a night light. Out here on the deck, like I said, this is a deluxe balcony. So it's pretty big. Got a lot of room to stretch your legs out on. Once again, here's your view from New York City. Now heading back in towards the bathroom. You have a thermostat. You have a full length mirror right here when you're getting ready. Then you have a do not disturb button and a make up the room button that'll go out to the outside of the room and it lights a light. Now you do have to put your room key in here. You can't just put any other card. At least I tried a couple different business cards and it wouldn't work. Now your bathroom, pretty standard among most cruise ships bathrooms. There's a trash can underneath the sink there. It's a little door. You get your cubby holes right there on the right to hold your stuff. You got shampoo and body wash there. Just make sure you check your water because they do get hot. There's also a step there for the ladies to shave their legs. And up here there's a clothesline in case you want to dry your bathing suits. You can hang them up to dry. Hook's right over there. All in all, I like the room. Just wish it had some USBs near the bed. And there's only two plugs on the countertop there. And there's two Europeans. And then in the bathroom, of course, the bathrooms are never big enough. Here's your meeting of the officers. This was filmed on the promenade when we did the welcome back party. They gave us all champagne and did a toast. That's the main captain there speaking right now. The lady on the left there in the black shirt is the cruise director. Thanks for watching. I hope the tour helped. Please consider subscribing.